Okay, so I know I've made a lot of videos of my family's pet cats, but today I'm gonna make a video. I don't sound like this way in real life, okay? Gonna make a video about my pet hamster, Bruiser. Yeah, I'm gonna take him out of his cage. Come on, buddy, come on. Shh. She's so cute. Look at him, he's just frozen with delight. Look at him, oh, he's so cute. Oh, so cute. Oh, he's so cute. I love him. I love him so. I got him like 3 days ago. It's like, okay, you can go back in. So, yay. Yay. My dog, I'll make that in a different video, but my hamster, yay. I like him. He's boring. He's afraid of the camera. That's what he is. He's afraid of the camera. He sleeps in his food dish. And he climbs on the bars. He's like spider hamster. I'm gonna grab you again. Okay, buddy? It's okay. 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 Give me a firm grip. Let me have a firm grip. Here you go. He looks scared, but he's not. He's happy. Sorry. You have weird teeth. He's cute. He's a boy. So, yeah, he likes to, but we have 4 pets now. That's insane. We don't even have a farm. We have 2 cats, 1 dog, and 1 hamster. Nobody, you got some, oh no, you're good. You're good. He's so cute. I'm sick today, so. So cute! I love him so. Oh, I love him. Okay. I'll make a different video later on. Bye, YouTube. That sounded so weird. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna. I don't sound at all like this in real life. I don't at all sound like this. I just it's stupid. It's so stupid. I hate how this video records that like that. Okay. So I'm going to my buddy. I'm gonna post this video later. Okay. So one last shot of him. Bruiser. I am a guy. No, don't chew on the bars, jackhammer. Okay, bye.